Want to make your animations pop? Let me show you a cool way to easily resize objects in Canva to make eye-catching animations in just a few clicks. So today, I want to share with you a fun way to make an animation that you can include in your videos. I've already opened a blank video and added a picture of a highway to it from the Elements section. So to start with, let's go to Elements and grab a bus. We'll put it right back here. Next, we'll click on the background design here and duplicate it. You can see it's a different piece. So go to Background Remover and delete the background. Line these up just right, then go to Position and move this new layer right down here. Next, I'll take this page and duplicate it. Alright, so we've got two of the same. On the second one, I'll make a few changes. I'll enlarge the bus since it's coming right at us. Then let's dress up the page a little more. Up here in the highway sign, let's add something. Go to Text and we'll add this. Then center it. Make it another color. I'll make it uppercase and shrink it just a little. And on this second page sign, we'll add something very similar. Just copy it and put it there. Let's make it say something different. So, now we've got our beginning. And our next shot. In between, we want to add a transition. I'll click here. Then choose the Match and Move. This transition will make images magically move, assuming they are the same exact thing. I'll change the duration, and let's watch it. You saw how it changed, so let's dress the scene up a bit more. Go to Elements and add some clouds. I'll add one here and here too. Then change the position and put both of them between the layers. Now grab these two clouds and copy them over here. Now, I'll change the location of where they're at on page 2. Then drag them in between the layers. Let's also add a bird. Take this guy and he'll fly across this way. So start him there. On page 2, put him over here. Let's try that out. And there's the finished effect. Have fun playing with this. Try these techniques and see what you can come up with. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.